Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 stocks that I'm buying in the month of March that are going to give us very good returns. So for those that are already in my community, they know how we do this. One of the beautiful things about joining my money community is that I will show you the stocks I'm buying, I will tell you what price I'm buying, and I will also let you know the price I'm selling. So many beautiful things are happening in the community. Last week, we had a 25% profit on our stock on the stocks that we bought, and it was simply amazing. So just heading straight into the video for the day, I'm going to show you 3 stocks that you can buy today, that in the next few days, in the next few weeks, you are going to be cashing out very well. So let's get into the video. The very first stock I'm going to talk about is Tesla stocks. Okay, Tesla, look at the last 3 months. Okay, this stock has moved from 265 down to 173, and this is amazing. One good thing about Tesla stock is that when it wants to move, it moves crazily. Okay, this is one of the best areas we can get this. The stock can actually go a little bit lower, maybe into the 168, 165, but that is not my concern. My concern is that where it is right now is a very good buy zone for us. So let me give you an information that's going to help you. Okay, assuming you are getting this stock at 177, and in the next few weeks this stock goes to 205. This stock can also go to 250, 260, 280, up to 300. If you have the patience, you will enjoy it. But let us assume you're taking it from 177 to 205. This is how much you're going to be making. You're going to be making $28 if you have one share. So if you had invested 177 and you allow it go to 205, you have $28 all to yourself. If you have 2 shares, you're making $56, and that is how you're going to check it. The beautiful thing is that this stock is going to give you this profit, and I will come back here when it has made this move, and I'm going to give us an update on this. So this is the first stock that I'm going to show you. Don't miss the second and the third one, because those ones are going to knock you off your feet. All right, so let's get into the second one. The second stock I'm going to talk about is SoFi, SOFI. This particular SoFi is a bank that is involved in giving student loans to students in America, and it's one of my favorite stocks. How is the way I play this game? Usually, when the stock is around $7 to 7.70 or lower than this value, I usually buy it. Okay, so currently this stock is around 7.68. See, look at this arrow. 7.68, 7.68. That is where this particular stock is at. Okay, so we are taking this stock from 7.60 to $9. Okay, you're getting it at $7.60, and you're taking it to $9, $9.10, $9.30, anything within that range. That is where you're taking this stock to. Let me show you the profitability. Okay, so this stock you're going to get $1.50 per one. See the beautiful thing here. If you use $76 to buy 10 shares, you will be making $15. Can you beat that? You're using $76 to make $15. Can you beat that? So that means if you have 20 shares, you'll be making for yourself $30. If you have 20 shares. And with 20 shares, you're spending about $150 to $160, and you're making $30 profit. This is crazy. There is no bank that is going to give you this value that I'm mentioning. No bank will even give it to you in the next 2 years, but you're going to get this value in the next few weeks. This is the real deal. Now I'm going to take us through the third and the very last stock. And these are stocks that we are buying in the month of March, that I am actually buying them in the month of March. So let's get to the third stock. The third stock is called Palantir. Okay, Palantir is a semiconductor stock, and it's been doing wonderfully well. I had to take it back to the last 6 months for us to see. I want to show you something. This is a stock we started buying at $15, somewhere around this area, and this stock has been moving from $15 to $27. Now, why am I showing us this stock? I'm showing us this stock because I want us to see the last 1 month. So the last 1 month, this stock has been moving between $22 and $27. So currently it is around $25. This particular stock, what we are doing is we are waiting for it to come down to about $24 to $25. And once we get it around that, we'll ride it up to $27 or more. Because the last time it touched $27.50. Take a look here. $27.50. The next time this stock is going to run, it may likely hit 30. So imagine getting the stock at $25. Okay, let's say you are getting it at $25 and you are selling it at $30. It may take few weeks, okay? It may not take the next maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. It may be up to 3 weeks or more. But this is the real deal. You're making $5. So assuming you have 10 shares, you'll be making for yourself $50 off this particular movement on the stock. So these are my top 3 stocks that I'm buying in this month of March. Even in our community, we have so many other ones that we buy in the week and we make money in the same week. This is the reason why you should actually join our community. The essence of joining the community is to get some information that will favor you. So the essence of joining our community is for you to understand the knowledge behind the stocks. You need the knowledge because I want to teach you how to fish. I don't want you to get just the signal. I want you to understand the basics of stocks, why you should buy a particular stock and when you should probably sell, how to know the areas of support and resistance, and so many other interesting things. So there's so much going on in the community. There are so many stocks. Like I said earlier in the video, we had the stock we purchased um at around Monday last week, and by Wednesday we had gotten 25%. So all those type of moves are things we discuss in the community, and you should really be there because it's bursting with so much energy and positive news and lots of earnings for us. So I hope to see you in the next video. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, drop a comment, share this video, and I can't wait to see you in the community, and I cannot wait for you to see the next video. That video is a life-changing video. I'll see you in a bit.